Sony Vegas Pro 12. Starting it and the EULA window shows up. Let's agree to it. The program starts, but after closing it and opening it again, the end user license agreement window is back. Okay, let's disagree this time. To eliminate that window, let's go to Properties and open File Location. This opens the folder where Sony Vegas is installed. And here it is, the EULA file. It has no extension. Don't confuse it with this one, EULA.dll. Leave this alone, don't hurt it. But modify the file name of this file. Let's add a 2 or whatever to it. Okay, and since the file name is modified, Sony Vegas Pro does not recognize it, and it starts without the EULA window. And let's start it again. No more unnecessary windows. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.